it's Rebecca from Safewise, and today I've got 4 pepper spray secrets that you should know. Number 1, pepper spray is legal in all 50 states, but different cities and counties could have further restrictions, so do some research before you spray. Number 2, immediate effects of pepper spray are going to last between 15 and 45 minutes, but it can take a full day for the effects to fully wear off. Number 3, pepper spray affects people differently, and things like whether or not someone's been drinking or their natural pain tolerance can impact how much an attacker is debilitated and for how long. Number 4, you should always call 911 after using pepper spray. It lets the police know that there's some dangerous person out there in the community, and it can help avoid severe health issues for your attacker, which may not be your number 1 priority, but doing that can ultimately save you from potential legal liabilities if the attacker does suffer some serious consequences. So there you have it, 4 pepper spray secrets that you should know.